Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are well. In the earlier session, I have already discussed about the topic relational operators. So, in today's session, I am going to discuss about logical operators. So, first of all, these logical operators are actually used to add multiple conditions to take a decision. Okay, sometimes we need to check multiple conditions for taking a decision. Let us see some simple examples like first of all, if we want to check whether a student is pass or fail in an examination, first of all we must check whether he got pass marks in all the subjects. If so, then he is considered as pass. Otherwise, if he fails in any one subject, then he is considered as fail. Right? Like in another example, if we want to check whether an integer is a two-digit number or not, first of all we must check whether it is between 10 to 99 or whether it is between minus 10 to minus 99. If so, then it is a two-digit number, otherwise it is not a two-digit number. Okay, like above, if we want to check whether a number is positive or negative, positive or even, positive or odd. For this all purpose, for checking this all, we use logical operators. Okay. Now friends, there are three type of logical operators. So here you are, I am showing to all of you about the list of logical operators. So first of all you can see ampersand ampersand. It means AND logical operator. Then it means OR logical operator. And the third means last exclamatory mark means not logical operator. So AND or not, these are the three logical operators. Okay. Now these AND logical operators are actually used to add multiple relational expressions or conditions to make a decision. This AND logical expressions gives true when all the conditions are true. It gives false when any one of the conditions are false. In the case of OR logical operator, it is also used to add multiple relational expressions or conditions to make a decision. But in the case of OR logical expressions, it gives true when at least one condition or minimum one conditions are true present in that expressions, and it gives false when all the conditions are false. So listen here very carefully. Whenever I am using AND logical operator in any type of expression, then it is necessary that all the conditions present in that expression have to be true. If any one condition is false, then it will be evaluated to 0, means it will return what? False. Okay, it is very simple. And in the case of OR logical operator, whenever I am using OR logical operator in any type of expressions, it is not necessary that all the conditions have to be true. What it is necessary? It is necessary that minimum one condition, means at least one condition have to be true. Then it will be evaluated to 1, means it will give what? True. And it will give false when all the conditions are false. Okay. And last of all, you can see a not logical operator. Not logical operator is a negation operator which gives negation to the given conditions. Means suppose a condition is true, so it will return what? False. And suppose a condition is false, so then it will return what? True. Means opposite of the condition. Okay. So now I am showing to all of you about the truth table. By following this truth table, the concept of logical operators will be more clear to all of you. So first of all, here you can see condition 1, which is represented by x, then condition 2, which is represented by y, and then I am using not and OR, these three logical operators with this condition 1 and condition 2. So first of all, remember one thing here, not logical operator can be used before only one condition. Okay, here you are. First of all, I am using this not logical operator before condition 1. So what will it return? It will return true because condition 1 is false. So negation of false is what? True. Very simple. Then I am using AND logical operator. X and Y means condition 1 and condition true. It will return what? False. Why it will return false? Because it will check first of all. Condition 1 and condition 2 both are true. No. Here both are false. So it will evaluate it to 0, means it will return false. And in the case of OR, it will check at least one condition is true. No. Here both the condition are false. So it will return false. Now, in the second case, condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. So if I use not X, means not condition 1, simply it will return true like the before. Now, if I use X and Y, in this case, condition 1 and condition 2, it will check both the conditions are true. No. Here only one condition is true and the other is false. So it will be evaluated to false because one condition is false here. And the last of all, X or Y, condition 1 or condition 2, it will check at least one condition is true. Yes. Here condition 2 is true. So it will return true. Okay. In the third case, condition 1 is true but condition 2 is false. So whenever I am using not X, means not condition 1, so it will be evaluated to what? 0, means it will return false because negation of true is what? False. So it will return false. Then X and Y means condition 1 and condition 2, here it will check both conditions are true. No. Here only condition 1 is true but condition 2 is false. So it will be evaluated to 0, means it will return false. And in the case of OR logical operator, means condition 1 or condition 2, it will check at least one condition is true. Yes, here condition 1 is true. So it will return true. And the last case, if the condition 1 is true and condition 2 is also true, means both the conditions are true. In that case, if I use not X, means not condition 1, as the before, it will return what? False. Negation of true means false. And here, in the case of AND, whenever I am using condition 1 and condition 2, it will check both the conditions are true. Yes. In the last case, both the conditions are true. So only in the last case it will return what? True. And the last of all, X or Y, means condition 1 or condition 2, at least one condition is true. Here two conditions are true. So simply it will return true. Okay. So I hope that the concept of logical operators, means AND or NOT, are clear to all of you. So now I am going to discuss about the associativity and precedency of these logical operators. Listen here very carefully. So first of all, I am going to discuss the precedency of logical operators. So first of all of you can see that not logical operator have the higher precedency or higher priority. Then AND logical operator have the medium priority and OR logical operator have the lower precedential, lower priority. Okay. So this is the precedency or priority of the logical operators. First NOT, then AND, then OR. And now I am going to show the associativity of logical operators to all of you. First of all, you can see that logical operator AND have the associativity left to right. Logical operator OR have the associativity left to right. And logical operator NOT have the associativity right to left. Okay. So this is the associativity of the logical operators. Now friends, let's see our today's topic practically. So just first of all I am writing the code segment and then I am explaining line by line. Okay. So first of all, hash include stdio.h, then int main here, then scope start, scope end, and here you are, 1 second, int abc. So just printf. Here 1 second, I have to declare one more variable, result, and initialize this with 0, and here not returned, here result is equal to %d, and then print result, the value of result. And before this line we have to store value into result, means we have to give the condition. So result is equal to bracket start, bracket end, ampersand. Means first of all I am using AND logical operator, and then in this I am writing the condition, means relational expression. First of all, write here a is equal to b, and then write here a less than c, and then just give an inverted comma at the end of statement. Same here. So friends, first of all you can see here I have declared 4 integer type of variable a, b, c and result, and I have initialized those with the value 10, 5, 10 and 0 respectively. Then I am writing what? Result is equal to a is equal to b, ampersand a less than c, and then I am just printing result is equal to the value of result. So listen this line very carefully. Here first of all a is equal to b, this is the first condition, okay, and then a less than c, this is the second condition, and between these two conditions I am using the logical operator AND here, and these both conditions are enclosed in first bracket. So first of all it will check the first condition, a is equal to b, means 10 is equal to 5. No, 10 is not equal to 5, so the condition is false. And then in the case of second condition it will again check. What will it return? It will check that 10 less than 10. No, 10 is not less than 10, so the relationship or condition is false here. So ultimate false and false. So what will be the result here? False, means these both conditions are false, so the result will be false. So here it will be evaluated to 0. Just execute, result is equal to 0. Okay, so just do a modification here. A less than b. No, 1 second, just do this, a greater than b, and here a is equal to c. Okay, now here again it will check. So delete this all. So here again it will check the first condition, a greater than b, means 10 greater than 5. Yes, it is true. Then and then it will again check a is equal to c, means 10 is equal to 10. Yes, it is absolutely true. So the both conditions are true here, so it will be evaluated to 1, means it will return true. Okay, so here just run and it will be evaluated to 1. Okay, then do this logical operator, means change this logical operator to OR. Okay, I am changing this, and here do it the relational operator less than is equal to, and here do it 1 second, not is equal to. So again it will check here, clear all those. A less than is equal to b, means 10 less than is equal to 5. absolutely it is false, false, one second, false, or it will check the second condition, means 10 not equal to 10, it is again absolutely false. So both the conditions are false here, so it will be evaluated to what? False, because at least one, if at least one condition is true, it will be evaluated to true, but here no conditions are true, so it will be evaluated to false, means it will be actually here evaluated to 0. Okay, so just run, and here you can see 0, the console displays here 0. And now just change this to 2 not is equal to, and change this to greater than is equal to. Now what will it return? It will check again the first condition, a not equal to b, yes 10 is not equal to 5, so it is true. Then or it will check the second condition, means 10 greater than is equal to 10, yes 10 is greater than is equal to 10, so again it will return true. So both the conditions are true, so here it will return what? True. Okay, hence it will be evaluated to 0, sorry, it will be evaluated to 1. Just execute our code, and you can see here the result is equal to 1. And now if I do it this, like this, then it will check the same, one second, means the first condition is same, so it is true, or, and the second condition is here what? 10 greater than 10, so it is false. But now what will it return? It will return again true. There will be no change, because at least one condition is true. In the previous, both the conditions are true, so there is no problem. And in the second, one condition is true, so in the both case at least one condition is true, so it will be again return true, means it will be evaluated to what? True. So just execute, and it will be evaluated to 1. Okay, now you can understand AND logical operator and OR logical operator. Just I am using here NOT logical operator in this. So NOT logical operator, and here I am using what? Greater than. So what will be happen here? It will check the first condition, a greater than b, means 10 greater than 5, yes absolutely, so not, and then the condition becomes here what? True. 10 is absolutely greater than 5, so the condition is true. So what is the negation of this? False, so it will be evaluated to 0, means it will return false here. Run, and it will be evaluated to 0. What happened? One second. Okay, here just I have forgotten to give in the semicolon, so for that error occurs. No problem, just here you can see 0, and here just do it less than, opposite of this, greater than, less than, and then what will happen? It will check again the condition, a less than b, means 10 less than 5, no, it is false, and not of false, means negation of false, that is true, so it will be evaluated to 1, what? 1. So just it will be evaluated to 1. Okay, so now friends, all of you can see that I have written a statement result is equal to this total statement I have written, and this total statement is containing what? 3 different type of logical operators, not, and, or. These 3 logical operators are here, and now we are going to solve this total statement, and by this our concept on logical operator will be totally cleared. Okay, so just solve it. So friends, now for solving this statement, First of all, we have to check all the conditions. So all of you can see here are 4 conditions. So we'll check all the conditions step by step. So just we are starting to solve this statement. So first of all, I am writing result is equal to not. First of all, check these conditions. A is equal to B means 10 is equal to 5. No, it is false. So write here F means false. Then just write AND logical operator and then check A less than is equal to C means 10 less than is equal to 10. Yes, it is true. So write T for true. Then again write AND logical operator and then it will check A not equal to B means 10 not equal to 5. Yes, it is absolutely true. And then just write here OR logical operator and then not logical operator. And then last of all it will check C greater than is equal to B means 10 greater than is equal to 5. Yes, it is also true. So write here T. Now in the next step, for solving the next step, just recall the operators precedency of logical operators. So first of all, not logical operator have higher precedency. So first of all we will do the work of not. First of all you can see here not of false. Not of false means negation of false means true. Then again write here and then here true and then again and again here true. Then just write here OR and then again negation of true. What is the negation of true? It means false here. Okay. Now in the third step, what we have to do? Just write result is equal to. Now AND logical operator have the precedency or priority just after not. So now we will do the work of AND. Now what's the associativity of AND? It is left to right. So by going left to right here, actually it will return what? True, because all the conditions here you can see in the first 3 condition, this first 3 condition true and true and true. So the all conditions are true. So it will return what? True by going left to right. And then last of all you have to write here OR logical operator and then this F means false and then inverted comma here at the end of statement. Again write result is equal to here result is equal to. Now it will check the last step means true or false. Here all logical operator it will check at least one condition is true. Yes, here one condition is true. So it will ultimately return true means it will be evaluated to what? It will be actually evaluated to 1 second. It will actually here evaluated to 1. So friends, now if I execute this code, our expected result is what? 1 means true. So just execute and all of you can see here the result is 1. So I hope friend all of you can understood our today's topic. Logical operator means AND or not, its precedency, associativity and this whole practical session. So friends, in the next video I will come with another topic. Thanks for watching. Bye.